Hello, children. Hope all are doing well. Lesson number 1, Introduction of Animals. Video number 2. In previous class, we learned the topic different types of the animals. Today, we will learn the topic movements of the animals. Before that, we all enjoy to sing this rhyme. Action song. This one. We will sing this one. H-U huckle, B-U buckle, H-U huckle I. H-U huckle, B-U buckle, huckleberry pie. P-U unkin, B-U bunkin, P-U unkin I. Punky, unkin, bunky, unkin, I like pumpkin pie. Now we will sing together. H-U huckle, B-U buckle, H-U huckle I. H-U huckle, B-U buckle, huckleberry pie. P-U unkin, B-U bunkin, P-U unkin I. Punky, unkin, bunky, unkin, I like pumpkin pie. Previous class, I have sent you a video regarding this lesson. I think you all enjoyed. I'll show you some pictures of animals. Look at here, children. Domestic animals and wild animals. Here are the flying animals. Most creatures move about in their surrounding. They run, crawl, walk, jump, hop, swim and fly. All animal movement is made possible by muscles. Different animals move in different ways. When we were babies, we would crawl. This is similar to how animals like lizard. I'll show you a picture of a lizard. Like lizard, crocodile, tortoise. These animals seem to crawl on the ground and they have really short legs. Crocodile, tortoise, lizard have short legs. Animals like snake, earthworm, snail have no legs. Animals like snake, earthworm, snail have no legs and they too crawl on the ground. Name some crawling animals. Snake, crocodile, tortoise, lizard, earthworm, snail. These are some crawling animals. Tortoise and snails move slowly. Crocodiles live in water as well as on land. Lizards we can find walls of our house. We find lizards on the walls of our house. Animals with four legs move on their legs. They can run very fast. Some animals can run very fast. The cheetah is the fastest runner. Cheetah is the fastest land animal. The elephant is the largest land animal. The giraffe is the tallest animal. The tiger is our national animal. Name some animals. Tiger, lion, elephant, deer, giraffe, fox, bear. Name some walking animals. Cow, sheep, camel, buffalo, goat. Insects also move on their legs. Some insects also have wings and use their wings to fly. Name some insects. Fly, housefly, dragonfly, cockroach, spider, mosquito, bee, butterfly, ladybird, bedbug, ant, grasshopper. Name some insects. Housefly, butterfly, cockroach, mosquito, grasshopper, ant, honeybee, spider. Insects have 6 legs. The butterfly has beautiful wings. A honeybee gives us honey. I'll show you the pictures of a water animals. These are all water animals. Turtle used their tail and legs as flippers to swim in water. Turtle use their tail and legs as flippers to swim in water. Fish glide and swim in water. The shape of the fish body is like that of a boat. Fish glide and swim in water. The shape of the fish body is like that of a boat. Name some water animals. Dolphin, crab, shark, fish, whale, octopus, turtle, starfish, etc. Which animals are hopping? I'll ask again. Which animals are hopping? Rabbit, kangaroo, grasshopper, frog. These animals are hopping. Kangaroo, grasshopper and rabbit, frog. These animals are hopping. Some animals flies in the air. Examples: crow, sparrow, owl, parrot, eagle, pigeon. The peacock is our national bird. The owl is a night bird. The ostrich is the largest bird. Parrots have red beak. What do birds eat? What do birds eat? It depends on the bird and the time of the year. Some birds eat seeds, berries, fruits, insects. Other birds, eggs, fish, grains, vegetables. What time we can see more birds? Birds are become very active when the sun is coming up or going down. During the hot weather, birds are inactive. And also, evening time, we can see more birds because it is go back to their nest. Evening time, we find more birds because they go back to their nest. I'll show you one activity regarding this lesson. Page number 7. How do these animals move? Look at the pictures and draw lines to match. First picture. Flies. Eagle flies. Frog hops. Snakes crawls. Deer walks. Fish swims. Crawling animal snake. Walking animal deer. Swimming animal or water animal fish. Flying animal or flies eagle. Hopping animal frog. Today's homework. Write the names of the animals you have seen. Number 1, flying animals. Number 2, insects. Number 3, walking animals. Number 4, crawling animals. Thank you.